What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond YouTube channel. Glad to be back with you guys as usual. And I have a great video for you guys today to showcase a brand new AI tool that you guys can use to grow your Etsy business in some pretty substantial ways. There's three main ways that you can use this tool to help your Etsy business, and that is through Etsy tools, that is through social media, and that is through email marketing. And there's not just those platforms that you can help use this tool for. It goes well beyond that, but I'm going to showcase those three groups of features for you Etsy sellers out there, because primarily that's what I cater to on this channel. But if you guys have other businesses out there, you have other things that you want to test this tool out for, you can absolutely do that. This tool was created by the same company that created one of my other favorite Etsy tools, Alora. If you haven't used that yet, make sure you use that as well. This pairs absolutely perfect with that. I'm a tool nerd. I like these new features. I like these new tools, anything to grow my business. And this is off the piggybacking off the ChatGPT platform, which has really changed the game as far as Etsy stuff. So I'm going to demonstrate how you use this tool in those three specific categories today, so you guys can get started. There's a free trial, so you can test it out. Make sure you guys love it as much as I do, and use it to substantially improve your business. So let's dive in. All right, guys, we are in the dashboard, and I'll include a link below, so make sure you click on that, get your free trial, and you'll be able to see everything that I am seeing now as far as the dashboard goes. So it's pretty simple. It's broken out into pretty easy to use format. The main place that you're going to go is right here, which is going to be the templates. And this will have all of your templates. Basically, it structures the AI so it's very user-friendly as far as what you want to use it for. So I'm going to focus on the first thing, which is probably the most relevant thing to you guys, and that is Etsy tools. How can you use this for your Etsy business? All right, so the first thing I want to go to, I'm going to scroll down here and you see Etsy product listing. So we're going to click on that, and this will bring up the tool here, and you can either use this for your description, your title, or keywords. So let's start with title, and you have to put in some product information here so it can formulate a title that you can then copy and paste into Etsy. This isn't going to be perfect, but it's going to give you a lot of really good ideas of really usable information. So let's just do gold heart necklace. And you can put your product name in here if you want, or you can leave it optional, and you can put key features in here if you want. So the more specific information you can provide it, the more accurate, the more relevant it's going to be. But I'm going to keep it really general, and you're going to see how this works. I'm going to hit generate. All right, so golden romance, handcrafted heart necklace, 14 karat gold, perfect gift for her. So this is one title. If I want to try again, you just hit generate again and see what else it comes up with. Mind you, again, you may need to tweak this stuff. You probably will have to tweak some stuff you won't. So handcrafted necklace for women, elegant and timeless jewelry piece for any occasion. All right, so those are some title options. I like to keep mine more structured to keywords, but those are some good ideas to start with. So we're gonna do the description now, and I'm gonna keep the product information the exact same, and we're gonna generate product listing description. And you're gonna see just from 3 words, it generates this entire multi-paragraph description that you guys can use for your Etsy listing. And what's nice about this is it puts in keywords. Since your listing description is counted in SEO, it puts in a lot of really relevant keywords naturally. Like I always say, you gotta naturally write your description. You can't just dump keywords in there. So introducing our stunning heart gold necklace, a timeless piece that will make any outfit shine. This delicate necklace is crafted from high quality materials, featuring a radiant gold plated heart pendant that hangs from a dainty chain, and so on. Very, very good description from 3 words, which is pretty crazy. Lastly, let's see the keywords. We're gonna do keywords up here, and we're gonna hit generate and see what keywords it gives us. Here are 13 tags you can add to your Etsy listing. Wow, gold heart necklace, romantic jewelry, dainty necklace. And these are specific to Etsy, so these are within the character limit of your tags. Some of these you may also want to put in your title to increase relevancy as well. But yeah, this is a great way to get some ideas for your tags. So that is one way that you can use this for your keywords, your title, and your description for your listings. Super game changer. It gives you some really good information, some really good ideas. The next thing that you can use this for, as far as Etsy goes specifically, we can use the review responder. And this is a user review. If someone put in a review and you want to respond to it, which you can do within Etsy, usually you can do it for good or bad reviews, but just keep in mind that does lock your review. So once you respond to it, it can't be changed. So if it's a bad review, I would reach out to the customer first and foremost on Messenger within Etsy and see if you can fix the problem. Ask them to update the review. If they won't update it or whatever the case may be, then you may want to respond to it to just let other customers know what happened. Maybe that wasn't your fault. And it just shows that you're engaged with your shop. It shows that you're taking that stuff seriously and you're actually commenting on it. So this is it'll just give you ideas on what to respond with. Again, you're probably going to use this more for bad reviews. Good reviews, you don't need to respond. And if you're starting to get a lot of reviews, it's going to take up too much time. So I was unhappy with this purchase. It arrived too late. All right, we're just gonna keep it general. Reviewer name. We can put in a name if we want. Detail to include in the response. So this is if you want to offer a solution. So we're just gonna put partial refund, and then we're gonna hit generate, and we're gonna see the response that it generates. So I'm sorry to hear that you were unhappy with your recent purchase from us. We understand that receiving your order on time is important. We apologize for any inconvenience or delay or caused by the delay. We take all customer feedback seriously and would like to assure that you are constantly working to improve on our delivery process to avoid such issues in the future. As a gesture of goodwill, we'd like to offer you a partial refund for the inconveniences this caused. Let us know if this is acceptable and we will process it immediately. So this is structured more like an email response. But you could take this and pop this in the review and say, hey, this is what we did to resolve the customer's problem. And it'll just give you some ideas on how to respond. All right, so moving on, the next feature I want to touch on is the customer support responder. So this is similar to the review responder, but this is going to be structured more for like the messages that you're going to get from customers. And this is going to give you an idea of how to respond. So again, similar, but a little bit different use. So this is where you put the customer message, hi, I'm just going to put, I retrieved the item, but it is too small. And then we're going to put what type of conversation, email or live chat. Usually it really doesn't matter, email or live chat. Either way, you're going to be responding to the customer. I'm just going to use the sample here, put Jane, and then provide a replacement. Because it's too small, we're going to generate this, and you're going to see it generate a response using those details that I provided. Thank you for reaching out to us regarding your recent purchase. I am sorry to hear that the item you received is too small for your needs. I completely understand how frustrating this can be, and I apologize for any inconvenience that this may have caused. Rest assured, we are there to help you. We would be more than happy to provide you with a replacement item that better suits your needs. To do so, we kindly request that you provide us with the order number and the name of item you received. Once we have this information, we can begin the process of getting a replacement item sent out to you as soon as possible. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience. So you see how it does give you a really good framework, a really good idea of how to respond to these customers. I would have to tweak this a little bit and ask them what size they want. If I'm going to send them a new size, If it's coming through on Etsy, I'm not going to ask them for the order number. That should be attached to the message. So it's not completely perfect, but it gives you a really good start. It does an extra good, an exceptional job. Let's do that. An exceptional job of being able to give you some information, especially if you're not like a strong writer, if you're really struggling on how to respond and be polite, because it's hard to take the emotion out of some of this stuff. You can use this and it's going to give you everything that you guys need to be able to respond to customers, respond to reviews, and even more importantly, write your listings and come up with some title ideas, some SEO friendly stuff. It's going to drive more traffic to your Etsy listings and get you guys more sales. So really game changing tools that you guys can use specifically for your Etsy business. All right, so number one was Etsy tools that you can use for your Etsy business. Number two, specifically relevant to you guys, is social media. If you guys are using social media to drive traffic to your Etsy business, you can absolutely use Ava to be able to do that more effectively. So we're gonna scroll down here. You can do it for a Facebook ad. You can do it for a YouTube video. If you're doing YouTube, a lot of you guys are doing, probably Instagram. Which they do have that as well. They have TikTok as well. I'm gonna do Instagram as the example here. So Instagram post, they have Twitter, they have it all. They all are gonna be similar. They're just gonna give you ideas of what to write in your post. Obviously, a lot of this is gonna need pictures and other content from you, but usually the written part is what trips people up. So what is your post about? So we're gonna write, this is a brand new gold heart necklace. So that's all we're gonna give it. And we're gonna hit generate. And it's gonna give us a post caption with some hashtags. A lot of people have struggled to come up with hashtags that you can literally just copy and paste in your Instagram post with that picture of your new necklace. All right, so and it gives three options, three examples. You can merge some of these. You can use one or the other. So fall in love with a brand new gold heart necklace. It has a little emoji. This is a stunning piece. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. Shop now and treat yourself to something special. Hashtag gold heart necklace. Hashtag jewelry lover. Hashtag shop now. That's the first one. Second one, shine bright like a diamond with our brand new gold heart necklace. This timeless piece is sure to become a staple in your jewelry collection. Order now and elevate your style game with other hashtags. Lastly, love is in the air with our stunning gold heart necklace. Whether you're treating yourself or someone special, this piece is perfect way to show your love. Shop now and spread the love. So three really simple, engaging, good examples for your Instagram post. Say you don't like any of those three, we're gonna hit generate again. It's gonna refine and generate some new ideas. All right, so some of these, the first one is similar, but a little bit different. Fall in love with our brand new gold heart necklace. This stunning piece will have you feeling like a queen. Wear your gold heart necklace or with our new, wear your heart on your sleeve or neck with our new gold heart necklace. Perfect for any occasion. This beauty will add a touch of elegance to any outfit. And the third one, upgrade your jewelry game with our latest addition, the gold heart necklace. Simple yet stylish. This piece is a must-have for any fashionista. Still, three more great examples of Instagram caption post that you can use, and the other social medias are examples are the same way. It basically just structures it in a way that's easy for you guys to use and generate this information quickly. If you're struggling for content, which a lot of you guys do, you waste a lot of time just sitting there thinking, milling over stuff rather than taking action. This is going to give you the information you need to take action immediately, get that post up, move on with your life. So that is number two. That's how you guys can use this for your social media to improve, grow your social media channels so you can continue to send traffic to your Etsy shop and your listings, so you will build that following and people will buy more from you. The last one I want to show you is if you have an email marketing channel. If you use email marketing for your business, for your Etsy business, which if you don't, I recommend that you get started. You can use this for email marketing as well. So right here, you go to email responder. This is your shortcuts or you can go here for all of your templates, and then you can filter out right here to the left. I should have did this at the beginning, but email responder is right here at the top. And you can do an email that you're replying to. I'm sorry, this is actually for replying to emails. So this is, you put in an email, like say if you're sending out an email and someone replies, and then you want to formulate a reply. So this is one way. The thing that I want to do is to generate new emails. So I got a little ahead of myself. So personalized cold email. Sorry, this is what we want. The email responder you can use if people are sending you emails, customers are sending you emails, or they're responding to your cold emails that you're sending out. So you got a little extra tour there. All right, so this is what I really want. What are you reaching out about? I'd like to let you know about a new gold heart necklace that is available for sale. So who are you reaching out to? We'll just do a customer. I don't know how it's going to enter that information. Maybe we'll keep that blank because I don't want them to put customer in there as someone's name. Context, we're going to leave that blank. Objective, buy the product. We're going to hit generate. And it's going to generate an email. And it's going to give you a title subject line if you want to use this. Your style needs this new gold heart necklace. Dear person's name. Hope this email finds you well. Came across your profile and was impressed by your impeccable style. I thought you might be interested in a new piece of jewelry. So we'd want to cut that out. See, it's not perfect. I'd like to let you know about a new gold heart necklace is available for sale. This necklace is perfect addition to any outfit, whether it's a formal event or a casual day out. It's made of high quality materials and is designed to last for years, making a great investment piece. So it goes on to say, basically the goal of the email is to entice someone to buy. You'd want to put a link, obviously, for this. This just gives you an idea of how to write a personalized cold email that you can use to send out to your email lists. We're going to filter here. The other thing that you can do is use this for email subject lines. And we can do new gold heart necklace. Subject lines are usually the most important when it comes to email. So new gold heart necklace. And it's gonna give us a couple enticing subject lines so people click on our email and read in the email and hopefully go to the link to buy our product. So this is 10 ideas for email subject lines that you guys can use to send out to your email list to entice someone to click, open your email, and then follow the link to go to your store and buy. You deserve this stunning gold heart necklace, limited stock. Get your gold heart necklace now. Sparkle up your style with this gold heart necklace, the perfect gift for your loved ones. Get ready to shine with this gold heart necklace. Add some glam to your jewelry collection. Get noticed with this gorgeous gold heart necklace. A must-have accessory for any occasion. Make a statement with this beautiful necklace. Upgrade the look with this elegant gold heart necklace. So there's some great examples for email subject lines if you guys have an email list and you're sending out email marketing emails. But that is it, guys. That is a quick tutorial of the new Ava tool created over by my friends at Alora. I'll include a link below. Like I said, you guys can get a free trial. Test this out. Use it for your business today. I can guarantee you that it will help you out coming up with content ideas so that you're not sitting around thinking of what to write. It's going to write stuff for you. You just tweak it to fit. And sometimes you're not even going to have to tweak it. I would say 90% of the time, I don't even have to tweak stuff. So it comes up some really good information you can use and integrate into your Etsy business, whether you're doing your Etsy listings, social media, email marketing. And then it goes beyond that. You can use it for YouTube. You can use it for blog posts. You can use it for everything. So it's really good to use to write content for you, to give you content ideas so you're not banging your head against the wall. Click the link below. Give it a shot. I guarantee you guys are going to love it. And I'll be back with some more tutorial videos on Ava because I love this tool so much. And I'm gonna give you guys some more examples, some more use examples of how to use this to grow and improve your business. If you like this stuff, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Have an amazing rest of your day.